felt more home with animals than humans. Isn't it, children? Okay. Then, now, whom he finds complicated one, children? Tell me. Whom he finds complicated one? Yes, anyone? Sakshi? Sakshi? Whom does he find complicated one? The poet was comparing humans with the animals with human beings.
Animals.
So, complicated here. Who is more complicated? It's difficult to handle. Yes, children, can you tell me, Sakshi? Sakshi, can you tell me? Whom he finds complicated? Yes?
Humans.
Humans. Yes, very good. Can you tell me why he finds complicated, children? He finds complicated with the humans. Why? Yes? Sakshi, can you tell me?
Miss, because humans are greedy and jealous.
Yes. Animals are? Please compare humans and animals. According to the poet, can you compare?
Miss, human beings are greedy and full of jealous against each other, but animals are calm and self-confident.
Very good. Yes. Okay.
And then animals are happy with what they have,
Yeah.
but human beings will not miss. They give importance to rich and strong people.
Good. Anyone want to say? Anyone? What did you understand from this poem? Varuni? Where is Varuni?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. Do you want to add something?
No, ma'am.
What did you understand? Tell me. What did you understand?
Humans are better than no, ma'am. Animals are better than humans.
What way? Warning, what way? Warning, can you tell me what way? Yes?
Humans are jealous, ma'am. Humans feel jealous on each other, ma'am.
Not will. Don't use okay. Humans are jealous on each other. Then will is the future tense now. But what is he? Poet is talking directly to humans, isn't it, children? Okay, now tell me, what did you understand from this? Yes, Varuni. Only one point. Okay. Swati? Swati, can you tell me, Swati? Swati? Yes, can you hear me, Swati?
Yes, miss.
Tell me, tell me. How did poet compare animals with human beings?
Ma'am, because the animals are not greedy and jealous.
Only you people are telling only one point. There are so many points that there is point. What is that? There are many points are there. Everyone has said the same point. No. There are so many points are there.
And ma'am, they will not.
Who will not? Come on, next step. Understand the poem?
Yes, miss.
Understand? Last time didn't come with last class. Huh?
What, miss?
You were in the last class.
Yes, miss.
Are you doing something there? Did you watch your TV?
No, miss.
Tell me. Okay, children. I tell you, just the poet would like to stay with the animals. Why? Because animals are, tell me, animals are calm and quiet.
Far better than human.
But means they are very happy. Whereas human beings are not happy. Okay? Always they're not calm. See, just opposite here, look at children. They're always quarrelsome, you can say. Okay? And not only that, they complain irritably. Who? Humans. But whereas animals do not complain irritably, understand? They are always calm and quiet and happy also. Then this animals do not sweat. I told you or not? But whereas humans sweat after the hard work, I told you. Then these human beings awake in the night and they pray to the God about their problems. This makes the quiet sick, means hate human beings. Here you see, animals do not wake up at night, do not tell their problems to God. See, the animals, they have sound sleep. Understood them? Understood now? Okay. And even these animals, they discuss their duty with the God. So what I have to do tomorrow? Where I should go? I didn't complete my English notebook. So what I should do? Then whom should I meet? Understand? So like this, they have so many thoughts. School is not there. Where to complete these notes? Let us enjoy. Let's watch TV. Some movies coming. So these are the thoughts discussed by these human beings. Understood as well? Okay. Now see here. Here no one is, he says here, no one is a demented, means what? They were mentally sick. The mania or things means what is the madness about to getting the things. Understood? So if they have computer, they want to buy something, there is no end for their needs. Understood? So for example, if they have, if somebody has something, they don't want to have the same thing, or they have a lot of competition to buy things and all. Understand, children? So like this, humans are very greedy and selfish, and when they want to compare with others. Understood? So this was the human's character. Then I told you, now come to next so children, stanza here. So read now. Did you understand now this? What I said now? Yes? Students?
Yes, miss.
Swati? Swati?
Yes, miss.
Understood or not?
Yes, miss.
Have any doubts?
No, miss.
No one, not one needs to another, nor to his kind that lived thousands of years ago. Here, he says here, not one kneels to another. Why one should kneel with feet here? Bend down on knees. Okay. Who is the one who bend down on knees? Animals or human beings? Humans.
Human beings.
To whom they bend down? To the other people. Those who are, they compare with one another. The poor people kneel down before the rich people. So if they are political leaders, if they are having so much fame and name in the society, what they do? They kneel down to them. They give so much of respect to their standard of living also. So here you see, not to his kind that lived thousands of years ago. So here you see, children, they cannot, even these human beings, okay, children. So they develop this habit of respecting others, okay, based on their, wealth and other things. But here you see, These animals are not. Understand, children? You understand now? Okay. No, here not one is respectable or unhappy over the whole earth. Here he's talking about animals. They do not respect the other animals. They don't have, listen, they do not have any jealousy or anything. Animals. Then they are not unhappy also. In the whole earth, the animals are happiest. Who speaks this? Who says this? Who's telling? The poet. Understood? No. So they show their relations to me and I accept them. Who is showing the relations here? Friendship. Animals are showing some. What can you tell me now? Yes? Complete sentence?
Relations.
So relations means what? The qualities. What qualities? The poet has some qualities. The same qualities are shown by who? The animals. So that's why the poet accepts this animals. Understood, children? Okay. Now, they bring me tokens of myself. Here, what is tokens means is symbols of good qualities. He says that human beings does not have, okay, they don't have any symbols of good qualities, whereas animals have the good qualities, he says. Then the evidence means they show them plainly in their position. Okay. So like this, the animals they bring the tokens of good qualities. Understood, children? No. I wonder where they get those tokens. Listen, he wonder where these animals got these good qualities. Okay. Understood? He wonder where these animals get these good qualities. Then did I pass that way huge times ago negligibly dropped the myth here? Again he's talking about the human beings here. But what happened to these human beings here? Negligently means what is carelessly they dropped these good qualities long ago, Mr. That's what children. Human beings are once upon a time, human beings had the good qualities, but what happened? Now they dropped, now they left all these good qualities because of their negligence. They neglected their good qualities. Those good qualities are neglected by these animals. Animals have all these good characters. Understood, children? Okay? Sir.
मिस इवेंट्स का मतलब क्या होता है मिस?
Events means to show. Events. Events means they show their qualities, good qualities. Okay. Now shall I ask you a question, children? Okay? Did you understand now? Sheetal? Sheetal, are you here? Sheetal?
Yes, miss.
Can you tell me what is anapora here? Can you tell me the anapora used here? Anapora. I discussed now. Isn't it?
Yes, miss.
Used here? Look at the stanzas there. Can you name the anapora? We know this is the poem written in free verse. Understood? Then there was some, we discussed about the alliteration. Then here anapora is being used here. But other particulars is like a, what do you say that, metaphor is not there, other device is not there. There's no rhyme scheme, rhyming words. But there's an anaphora. What is anaphora? Can you find out anaphora here?
Yes, miss. Miss, they do not hena miso.
Next. Yes. Now.
Not one.
Not one means not one, isn't it? These two are anaphora. Yes, not one, not one. Can you take down this? Radha, please you Radha's list. Read it later. This is a evince means to show. Kneels, bends down on knees. Tokens, good symbols of good qualities. Position, to have. Times means times ago, long, long ago. Negligently, carelessly. Did all this?
फोन है, इसको म्यूट करो अपना ऑडियो। महेश महेश इसको म्यूट कर अपने ऑडियो को। ये तो 20 मिनट 20
Okay, children, have you taken?
No, miss.
Fast.
Writing miss.
Miss, board clearly not audible, miss.
अब दिख रहा है क्या?
Now?
Miss.
No miss.
Now?
दिख रहा है। अब तो दिख रहा है।
ब्लर आ रहा है सर।
तेरा कैमरा खराब होगा।
नो सर।
कितना अच्छा दिख रहा है, देख मेरे को तो पूरा दिख रहा है।
अब दिख रहा है सर।
हाँ शादी का ये
हो गया मिस.
Okay. So anaphora here, not one needs. Student, are you reading in the classroom book? All the students are ready in the classroom?
बोर्ड अच्छी दिख रहा है.
Okay, whatever I read in the board, you have to take down in your classroom book. Understood? Now, here I am going to look at it. Write down these questions also. Do they kneel down to show their respect? Do they kneel down? Who is that? Who is the animals? Write down these questions. Do they kneel down? He said, do animals kneel down to show their respect? Yes or no?
No, miss.
Good. Done. The second question. How can you compare?
Wait, miss.
Okay. Second question. How can you compare? QMPRE, how can you compare animals with the human beings? How can you compare animals with the human beings? Second question. How can you compare animals with the human beings? Second question. Third question. How did human beings leave that path? How did human beings leave that path? Yes, did you complete this?
Yes, miss.
Did you send the question answers children for this animals lesson? No?
Yes, miss.
No. Yes. So write down those questions in your English classroom book. Understood that? Understood, everyone?
Yes, miss.
Yes,
Good.
miss.
Now tomorrow I am going to start the lesson Glimpses of India. So come along with your English textbooks tomorrow. Understood, everyone? Okay. Here is written page number 84. Children, page number 84. Thinking about the poem. Now just you have to discuss, that's all. Listen. Notice the use of
Page number.
page number 84.
Page number कितना miss?
Next page 84. Notice the use of word turn in the first line. I think I could turn and live with animals. What is the poet turning from? Okay, turning from whom? Anyone? Turning from human beings, understood? To animals. Mention 3 things that humans do and animals don't. Yes. Mention 3 things that the animals do and human beings do and animals don't. Easily we discuss now. Isn't it? Okay. Do animals needs to other humans who lived thousands of years ago? Yes. Discuss this in groups. Okay. What are the tokens that the poet says may have brought long ago? Means it is about the good qualities. And which the animals have kept for him? Okay. Symbols of what the good qualities. Discuss it in the class. Whitman belongs to romantic tradition that included Rousseau and Wordsworth, which holds that civilization has made humans false to their own true nature. What would be the basic aspects about nature as living beings that humans choose to ignore or deny? What can you say? Yes, children? Do you understand?
No, miss.
Okay. No, the first one we discussed, no? First one? First question? We discussed already, isn't it? Second question we discussed, third is in the everything in textbook mein. And the fourth one is what? Is talking about human characters of human beings and of the animals. Understood, children? It says that civilization. You know, no? What is civilization? What is civilization? He is against the civilization. Okay. Who is against the civilization? Who is against the civilization here? Who is? Yes, Meghna?
Yes, miss.
Against the civilization? The poet talks about the civilization. What is civilization?
Miss is talking about the humans civilization of about animals, miss, to treat the animals.
We are talking about what do you mean by civilization? Animals, they don't have any civilization. Understood now? Only we human beings have some civilizations. You know about you studied in SST, isn't it? So what does civilization mean? Yes, tell me, Meghna, what is civilization? It is, huh? You are studied from I think pyramids, civilization, pyramids. Okay, at least you start from 6th class. What is civilization? Mesopotamian civilization, Sindhu civilization, there are so many civilizations are there. Isn't it? What is meant by civilization? Meghana? Kaula? Kaula, tell me. What Kaula is doing? Kaula, you don't have civilization. Then how they come to the class 10th? Then? What is civilization? How many civilizations are there? You have to tell me. Understood that?
Miss, civilization is the human culture or socially how human is treated, Miss.
Very good. Who is that? Who told now? Who told now?
Meghana, Miss.
Very good. Very good. So it's about the culture. Understand? About the social and economic development of the humans. Understand? The people. What is civilization? So you know about the. So where do the inherit this civilization? The banks of the rivers. Isn't it, children? What? Okay. Are you able to follow me? Hear me? Yes? Are you hear me? You able to hear? No?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Anybody can repeat the civilization? The poet is against this civilization. Someone told civilization means is about the culture and social and economic development of the people. So when they become economically prosperous, they leave all their good qualities. Who is telling? The poet is, in his opinion. So whenever human beings get economically means what? Whenever they become rich or whatever, so he becomes negligible. He says. This is what we discussed in the last one. Okay, children, now let's start the class. Now tomorrow, bring the textbooks. I'm going to take glimpses of India. Okay, children. Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Class 10. Take care. Bye. Okay.